Welcome back, 10th standard. The next question that we have to is question number 6 from exercise 11.2. Let's take a look at the question. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is 6 centimeters, BC is 8 centimeters, angle B is 90 degrees. This is first thing. You have to construct a right triangle with angle B equal to 90 degree and the legs as AB, BC of given dimensions. So AB and BC will act as base and perpendicular respectively. Then after this, the next thing we want to do is BD is perpendicular from B on AC. This is the second part of the construction. Perpendicular from B on AC, that perpendicular is to be named as BD. Then third part, construct or draw a circle passing through points B, C, D. So there will be a circle which will pass through points B, C and D. Finally, we have to construct tangents to that circle from point A. The circle that we have drawn in step 3, that will be having tangents drawn from point A. So there are 4 parts to this construction. Let's do it one by one. First of all, construct a right triangle with AB as 6 centimeters, BC as 8 centimeters and angle B equals to 90 degrees. So I'm going to start with the line segment. Of length 6 centimeters as base. Let's name it as AB. At B, I'm going to construct a 90-degree angle. Let's name this as ABX. Angle ABX is 90 degrees. The base is 6 centimeters. I'm going to cut off an arc along BX in order to obtain point C, which is 8 centimeters away from point B. Opening my compass again of radius 8 centimeters this time. I'm going to cut off an arc along BX by taking B as center. This is point C, and now I can complete my triangle. Joining point C with point A, and the perpendicular is 8 centimeters. This is the right triangle that I had to obtain. This is first part of my construction which I have done. Second part is to construct perpendicular from B onto AC. So if in a triangle we want to construct perpendicular to one side from the opposite vertex, the steps that we need to follow are: first of all, you want to draw an arc from the point or the vertex from where we want to construct the tangents with suitable radius. So the radius here can be taken as slightly bigger than the distance of point B from AC. So as you can see here, the compass is reaching the exterior of the triangle and B is the center from where I would like to draw an arc. So when you draw an arc, your arc will meet the opposite side at two distinct points. Using those two distinct points at which the arc intersected your opposite side, draw two arcs further which intersect each other at a point. So this is how you have to do. This point of intersection of the arcs is to be joined with B in order to obtain the perpendicular from B. Let's name this as D as instructed. BD is the altitude of the triangle from point B to side AC. This is the second part of the construction. BD perpendicular from B on AC. This is also done. Third part, you have to draw a circle passing through points B, C and D. Observing the construction that we have done till now, what we can observe is that the 3 points through which the circle should pass. The circle should pass through points B, C and D. These 3 points are actually the vertices of a right triangle. If I want to draw a circle which passes through the vertices of this right triangle, points B, C and D, each of these points, I would like to draw a circle with the hypotenuse as diameter. So if I want to draw a circle or construct a circle which passes through B, C, D, the vertices of the right triangle that I have here, I would like to draw a circle with BC as the diameter. The hypotenuse should be the diameter. And if hypotenuse is the diameter, I would like to locate the midpoint, which is going to act as the center of the circle. So let's obtain the midpoint of BC. For that, I would like to open my compass more than half. And then draw arcs on either sides from both the endpoints. So from B, arcs on both sides, and now I'm going to draw arcs from C on both sides. This here is the midpoint of the hypotenuse BC. This will be the midpoint of the circle that I want to draw. The radius will be OB or OC, fixing the radius. Let's draw a circle. And as you can see, this circle passes through points B, C and D. This is the third part of the construction, a circle passing through points B, C and D. Finally, we want to construct tangents to this circle from point A. So if we look at the construction, I would like to draw tangents from point A to this orange circle. And when I want to draw tangents to any circle from an external point, the first step is to join that external point to the center of the circle. So let's do that. Join the external point to the center of the circle. A is the external point and the center for the circle to which I want to draw the tangents is O. So joining AO, then I want to draw a circle with AO as diameter. If AO is going to be the diameter, I need the midpoint, which will act as the center. So I'm going to construct a perpendicular bisector for AO now. Same steps to construct the perpendicular bisector for any line segment I want to open the compass more than half. And draw arcs on either sides from both endpoints. So from point O, on either sides. Let's draw arcs. These are from O on both sides and now from A on both sides. So on this side it's completely fine. Let's fix it on the other side as well. I did not get the points of intersection. Okay. This here is the midpoint of AO. With M as center and AO as diameter, I'm going to draw a circle. The point where this circle meets orange circle will be the points of contact. Let's mark the point of contact as E, and this one's already there, point B. This is the second point of contact. And if you see from A, the tangent to the orange circle is already there at point B. So AB is the tangent to the orange circle, one tangent, and the other tangent will be AE. From point A, a line segment passing through E. And that completes your construction.